We're back. 2019, ladies and gents. Merry Christmas. Today is actually 2 days after Christmas. I'm so excited to be filming my annual What I Got for Christmas video. This is actually my 6th time filming this video, so if you guys want to go back and have a marathon of What I Got for Christmas videos, I'm going to link them all in the description box. I'm so grateful for how thoughtful these gifts are. Hello? Perfect. Sounds good. See you later. Pardon the interruption. That was Little Mac. I think it's just important to remember when you're watching these videos, every single family does Christmas differently, so if you have more gifts or less gifts, I don't know. It's like the comparison aspect of these videos drives me nuts, but I'm just really excited for everything that I got this year, and I'm also a person who gives my family a ton. If you don't like these videos, click off now and save your time. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's show you guys what I got. From my big Lucy, who's absolutely the cutest person ever. She got me one of my favorite gifts of Christmas. She got me this adorable 2-piece set from Nordstrom, and it's by a sustainable brand. It's called Girlfriend Collective. This is the top. It's in a lovely dark blue, and then the matching leggings to go with it. I'm so excited to wear these, Lucy. Thank you so much. My friend Kenna and Leah, they're my friends from high school who I was on ski team with. We always do a gift exchange every year. Leah got us these adorable little dangle bracelets that say "Love you long time," which is something that she always says to us, which I think is super thoughtful, and I love wearing these because they're so light. We're gonna 2010 beauty guru this. It looks like this, and it says "Love you long time." And then my friend Kenna got me this really cute mirror from Urban Outfitters and a bunch of scrunchies that have bows on it. So my friend Katie, who just called me, got me something that I wanted so badly. She got me this adorable Hydro Flask. It's this limited edition one that has a bunch of mountains on it. When I found out that Hydro Flask made this water bottle, I actually started crying, and Katie was with me when I had my tears of joy moment. From the family that I used to nanny for, they're so thoughtful, and they got me the cutest little package of adorable cabin socks. These are so fuzzy inside, glow pop minis, and this Nike cropped sweatshirt that's got a little tie at the bottom. I really love this detail, and it's black, so it goes with everything. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. What is this? Okay. I randomly just ate a little piece of chocolate. I don't know where that came from. Our family friend Steve got us this really fun card that's like a poster, and inside we have a Target gift card. So thank you so much, Steve, because I literally go to Target every single week. It's the place to be, you know? From my wonderful Uncle Dana, he got me, he called it the Gweneth Paltrow starter kit, and he got me a bunch of fun beauty products in this bag. I have tweezers and a compact mirror and a bunch of fun stuff, and he got me a jade roller. Well, I guess this is a rose quartz face roller, but I really wanted one of these, and I never asked for one, and how did he know I wanted this? Thank you. He also got me a Panera gift card, so thank you, because this will definitely fuel my studying needs. That's where I go to get the work done. I do this every year where I forget to show what's inside my stocking, but you guys know I don't even talk about the stuff. I just pull it out and do a little time lapse. So cue the time lapse of what Santa got me in my stocking.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me.
Yeah, this year's stocking was so practical and wonderful because I had needed all of these things for so long. So thank you, Santa. Santa really knows, and I appreciate you. I organized all my stuff into sections, so we're gonna do the random stuff, which honestly is kind of the most exciting because I think it's very creative. From my dad, he got me a box cutter, because if you've ever seen me open a package without an actual box cutter, it can get a little dangerous. It's a little scary, not gonna lie. We've had some close calls. My dad also got me a digital luggage scale, which I'm really excited about because I always cut it really close on my suitcase, and I just get a little bit nervous every time I go to the airport, so this is gonna be really nice just to be able to kind of gauge how much my suitcase weighs. Oh, my mom got me this really fun cookbook. She knows I'm super into cooking meals, and this one's kind of more centered around lunch things. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's called Made in the Office, tasty and hasty meals with just a kettle, toaster, and microwave. So they're things that you can just whip up really quickly, and they're really healthy meals. Okay, this gift was probably one of my biggest surprises during Christmas, and I genuinely have wanted this for years but never really asked for it. My dad got me a radar detector detector. The long story is that my dad has always had a radar detector in his truck ever since I was little, and it's really come in handy. You never know. Not that I'm like encouraging speeding by any means, but it's just nice to be aware when the popo are around. Yeah, he got me this radar detector. It's gonna be really helpful because on ski team, we're driving for 8 or 10 hours straight to Idaho, and that's a really long way. It's really helpful to know where the cops are gauging your speeds. My dad seriously is the king of gift giving. I don't know how he does it, but I never know what he's gonna get me, and he kills it every time. My dad got me a vacuum for my car, which is so helpful. So those were my random gifts. I think we should go to the clothing section. So my mom really brings it home with the clothing every year. She just knows me too well. She got me these 2 belts from Urban Outfitters. They're the same ones, a black and a brown. She also got me a beanie from Patagonia. All of my ski hats have pom-poms on it, and sometimes it makes me look like I'm 10 years old. So yeah, we're trying to have more of a sophisticated look this year. She also got me this adorable fluffy jacket. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's cropped, it's got buttons and snaps, and it's so crazy cozy. I also got this Patagonia. I've actually never really seen this style before. It's a wool Patagonia, so it's really warm, and it's got a zipper in the front. I actually wore this yesterday when I went skate skiing with Katie, so it kept me warm out there. This jacket from my father, it's a Patagonia jacket. Let me just model it, honestly. I'm really excited about this because I didn't think I was gonna get this, but this is one of the things I needed the most. I've had a different black Patagonia for about 8 years, and it's just barely hanging on. But this one is nice, new, and it's so warm when I walk to class. I'm really grateful for this, so thank you, Dad. My mom got me 2 long sleeve shirts because I literally don't own any other long sleeve shirts besides this one in a different color. And she got me a yellow one and this nice tan color. My parents really trying to keep me warm this winter. I'm really appreciative of that. Okay, this was also such a big surprise, and I literally cannot believe that my mom remembered that I wanted these. But I got these joggers from Aritzia. They're light gray. They're super cute. They have a striped rib detail on the side. They are so soft, so comfortable, and I feel like they would be socially acceptable to wear out in public. In this bag, we got another fluffy jacket. This one is in a nice brown color, and it's so soft. It's a socially acceptable blanket. We're ready for our next category, ladies and gentlemen. That's the kitchen stuff. Now that we're adulting, we have this category. Let's bring over the goods. The first cooking/food item we got here is a bunch of chocolate. My dad's really trying to fatten me up this season. We have the Ghirardelli peppermint bark squares. I'm addicted to these. And then these truffles are from Trader Joe's. If you live by me, just come stop by, ask for some chocolate. My uncle this year got me some really fun things as well. I got this lovely set of salt and pepper shakers. First of all, I don't have pink Himalayan sea salt, and I really wanted that. And second of all, we go through our black pepper. We have like the tiny one so quickly. This is like the Costco size version, and this will last me for a long time. I'm very excited about this. Thank you, Mac. And he also got me this adorable Kitchenaid Mixer. It's in this lovely light blue color. We have a couple more things. These are from my dad. He got me a pot holder from Trader Joe's. This one's really cute. I got a marble cheese slicer, but my parents have one. It's basically a marble slab with a little wire that cuts your cheese perfectly straight every time. It's really nice because you guys know I love making cheese platters. Follow me on Instagram to go see my cheese platters that I make because I'm really proud of them and I always post them. Then the last 2 cooking things. This is a big one. I wanted this for literally so long. I got an electric griddle, and it's in this beautiful copper and black color. One of my favorite breakfast foods is French toast, and I really love making it. My dad's a genius at making it, and I want to make French toast for the people who live next to me and all my friends. So I got this giant griddle to do that. Oh, let's be careful about this. But I got a new olive oil and vinegar holder because I had the cheap ones from IKEA and they broke. I got a new set, and it comes in this adorable little case so that I can hold it and travel with it if I want to put it on the table if we're having bread or something. Thank you, Dad, so much. Alright, the final 3 gifts of Christmas that I got. We have reached the technology section. My aunt and uncle are so sweet and thoughtful and really supportive of my YouTube channel. I just want to give a huge shout out to them. First thing I got is my uncle got me a new iPhone cord. This is the 2-meter version. Thank you so much. I'm going to use this every single day. Okay, I literally cannot believe I got this. I got an iPad. Yeah, I got an iPad Air. I also got the Apple Pen from my aunt and uncle. This is such a thoughtful gift. Also, this is so funny because I got my aunt the Apple Pen, and so we literally got each other the same thing. And I got my uncle that 2-meter cable, so we literally like exchanged the same gift. My aunt has an iPad, she loves it, and the main reason why I wanted to get this is because I've seen a lot of people in my Human Physiology class take their notes in digital form on their iPad. It's really useful to be able to start to go paperless, and I think it's great for the environment. And I also really want this for my YouTube channel. If you guys follow me on Instagram, all of my Instagram highlights are actually hand-drawn. Katie hand-drew them on our friend Kylie's iPad, and I've never really had the ability to draw something that I'm envisioning design-wise out and then be able to process that on a digital format. Am I making sense right now? I don't know if this is making sense. This together is gonna help me be able to do that, so I really want to be able to take my channel and my videos to the next level and actually put my own handwriting on this video. I am so grateful for this. Honestly, I have no words. Thank you so much to everyone who made my holiday season so bright, all of you guys for all of your sweet messages. I hope you guys had the most fantastic time with your friends and family. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me throughout this entire year. 2020 is going to be a life-changing year, and I am so excited to bring you guys along every step of the way. The question of the day is going to be, 1, what you're most excited for 2020, and 2, what is your favorite gift that you received this Christmas or that you gave this Christmas? My favorite gift that I gave this Christmas was probably the desk that I gave my mom. We organized it all perfectly and it looks so beautiful in our house, and I'm so excited that she has a workspace to call her own now. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys are excited for the new year, and I will talk to you so soon. I'm going to the Rose Bowl. The Ducks were playing in the Rose Bowl. I'm going to the Rose Bowl. I'm gonna bring you guys along, so get excited. The new year is going to be fantastic. Here's to new adventures, ladies and gentlemen. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna clean this up now and organize everything.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night